This here is a 250R 1986 three-wheeler. That there is a 350 twin Banshee, liquid cool head, 22cc domes, drag ported cylinders that are 20 over, V-force 3 reeds with reed spacers, K&N D-slide carbs, K&N air filters with outerwear. I got an EBC dirt digger clutch with a timing advancer plate. To have this motor on here, I had to mock up these motor mounts here, these here, and my water coolant here. That's about it. She's pretty sharp. She runs pretty good. I can beat a lot of people besides the 4 mils because it's pretty much a stock bottom end. But I can beat anything besides that. I'm running 22-inch tall 4 snows. Everybody said I should get paddles, but I tell you what, these 4 snows are doing delicious. They're doing great. I definitely got to have the wheelie bar on there. It's a +4 on the swing arm, but wheelie bar still don't. I still got to have it. Hell's Trike is the name of the three-wheeler. That's what I self-named it. I pretty much bought the frame, the forks, and the swing arm for $100, and I came up with everything else. It's pretty neat though. I mean, I even got my key switch up there made, all that diamond plate. I got my kill switch for me to hold on to. I still got my lights, if I wanted it, you know, just lights for the sand dunes, on and off switch, twist throttle. It's a beast, I'll tell you that. It's pretty fast. It goes anywhere that it wants to go. You really can't control it. It's that wicked. I did all the paint, everything myself. It's not too shabby, I don't guess. If you ever go out at St. Joe, Missouri State Park, you'll see it out there. It's out there almost every weekend. I'm out there running it. Those are the pistons I got right there. Those are good pistons. They're better than Wiseco, I think. But that's me talking. But hell, I'll fire it up, let you listen to it. How about that? I even turned my front forks around. I swapped sides. It gave me 3+ inches on the front. That's a good idea to have sometimes. No one told me that. I just measured it and came up with it myself. Pretty much redneck. I live in a town population of 140, so I do everything myself. Hopefully next time you can see this, I'll be running through my yard, the sand, or you'll see it running down the highway on the video. I hope. Well, hope you look at it and watch it. Thank you.